The all-new Colorado is enhanced in every way, said Scott Bell, Global Vice President of Chevrolet. With its rugged and sporty styling, enhanced capability, new technology and customization options, it's designed to do more for discerning customers and still offer them great value. Designers and engineers focused on 3 key categories to take the Colorado to the next level: elevated design, enhanced performance and new and useful technology. Each category weaves into a streamlined lineup built around a single wheelbase and single cab configuration to create a unified Colorado pickup family. The 2023 Colorado lineup includes work truck WT/LT, Z71, ZR2 and first-ever Trail Boss models. The lineup features 3 distinctive chassis stances to optimize each model's capabilities. Together, they compose a more diverse range of choices tailored to the distinctive ways customers use their trucks for work and recreational activities, including off-roading. Along with new exterior styling and proportions, the 2023 Colorado introduces an all-new interior that blends refinement and functionality with work-ready durability and comfort. Across the 2023 Colorado lineup, there are now 4 unique interior trims choices for customers. The class-leading, standard 11.3-inch diagonal color infotainment 1 touchscreen is the centerpiece of the cabin and is accompanied by a segment-first standard 8-inch diagonal fully digital color instrument display, both of which are customizable. The 4 distinct new interior options feature sporty round outboard vents, wrapped and stitched knee pads on the doors and center console for select models, and more adventurous contrast stitching on select models. We set out to design the Colorado as a tough, muscular and capable midsize truck, which we think especially came through in the wide ZR2 trim with the aggressive grille shield, said Phil Zak, Executive Design Director. Across all trims, the exterior's presence and attitude is reflected in the interior, which is designed around a large center stack screen. Leaning into the success from the current generation, the 2023 Colorado has a significant number of on- and off-road accessories available for any trim. In an effort to allow each customer to build their off-road dream truck, the off-road accessory portfolio has more than doubled from previous model years. Colorado's technologies also include an enhanced roster of safety and driver awareness features. The standard Chevy Safety Assist2 package includes forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, following distance indicator and IntelliBeam automatic high beam assist. Available features for all models include Blind Zone Steering Assist2, rear Cross Traffic Braking2, adaptive Cruise Control2, HD surround vision and rear pedestrian alert 2. Colorado's camera technologies are also integral in a suite of trailering technologies pioneered on the Silverado. Hitch Guidance 2 is now standard, while Hitch View 2 and Chevy's Trailering App 5 are new in 2023. Hitch Guidance features a guideline to help line up the trailer and hitch, and Hitch View provides a zoomed-in view of hitch to help with alignment with the coupler. The Trailering app is designed to help drivers with all stages of trailering, from hitching to on-road assistance and even responding to potential hazards. The features are accessible from the built-in infotainment app or through a smartphone.